Yeah, turn no. I got the sauce. I got the sauce.
What's up, guys? It's Austin here with Crypto Sauce, and today we're going to be going over REN, or Republic Protocol. My partner and I have been researching and investing in the crypto space since 2013. So our whole goal in this video is to let you know what our thoughts are on the token, because we already did a lot of the research. Basically, we took a deep dive so you don't have to. Republic Protocol is a decentralized dark pool exchange. Now let me explain really quickly what the heck a dark pool exchange is. So on Wall Street today, there are dark pools already in existence, and what they do and the benefit for investors and the whole market as a whole will basically make these big trades that these whales may want to accomplish, and they make them anonymous. These dark pools protect the market from crashing or surging if someone had a big amount of assets that they wanted to liquidate, or they wanted to buy up a bunch of stock. Basically, a dark pool helps investors get the best price for their asset and not experience slippage. So currently, this is a problem that really hasn't been solved in the crypto space. So Republic Protocol is putting together a protocol that accomplishes this exact feat. So hopefully you understand what a dark pool does and why it's important for the market. So if you don't understand, I'm gonna also link an additional video that you can go and research a little bit more on your own time. All right, so you might be wondering, well, why don't some of these exchanges that already exist in the crypto world put together their own dark pool? Well, the reason why it wouldn't work out is because if you're giving your information to an exchange via a dark pool, there's no real reason for them not to peek at that information prematurely and be able to front load whatever exchange was happening and ride that wave. So by having a dark pool separate from an exchange, it would prevent any possibility of leakage and exchanging of information that we wouldn't want to get out there to any third parties. By having a decentralized dark pool protocol, this whole potential issue is non-existent. There are a couple awesome potential upsides with Republic Protocol. The first one revolves around ICOs. Let's say a team raised a lot of money in an ICO from institutional or high net worth investors. If these larger whale-like investors decided to cash out whatever it might be a month or two later after the ICO, that potentially, because especially since ICOs have a lot more volatility if they're a newer project, that has the potential to crash that token's price. The opposite is also true. If these larger investors wanted to jump in a project and invest larger amounts of capital, that could, again, being public knowledge, could ride the price up, and they basically don't want to have that huge, large increase when they're trying to buy up tokens. They may decide not to invest in the first place, or it may have to be a relatively small amount of capital investing in a project. Having a dark pool exchange could eliminate this problem. Another beautiful upside of Republic Protocol is the fact that the value of the protocol is tied to the token. A lot of times different projects will basically just try to ride the ICO train and raise money and just slap a token on to whatever they're doing, and it has nothing to do with the actual token. Inherently, with Republic Protocol, the token is necessary if you want to use the dark pool exchange. And this is great because if you take a value investor approach, if you have these tokens and they're tied to the use of the actual protocol, then your value is tied again to how many more people use this dark pool. The tokens are actually needed to power the protocol. And this is something that's unfortunately uncommon to a lot of other crypto projects. By having the value inherently tied to the token, that incentivizes a win-win for everyone involved. And along those lines, the token holders collect fees from running these dark nodes that basically operate the exchange. We just covered some of the potential upsides, so let's look at the other side of the coin, or should I say token, and look at some of the risks. One of the main risks with Republic Protocol are OTC desks. Currently today, if a big investor, high net worth investor, wanted to jump into the crypto space, if they wanted to come in with big capital and not screw themselves by spiking the marketplace as they were trying to get in, what they could use are OTC desks. And that is really Republic Protocol's biggest competitor, if you will. The problem with OTC desks are they charge usually between a 1% and 5% cut on any transactions. Another con with using an OTC desk is it really isn't anonymous. These desks are calling around and trying to make these trades happen. So theoretically, if this information got out there when the OTC desk person was calling around, they could come in and front run that investor, either riding that wave up or down depending on what the investor wanted to do. So all that to say that we really believe in Republic Protocol and the team and what the actual value that they're providing with their token is. While this video is not investment advice, we're just telling you our personal opinions and views on a project that we have invested in. I do want to mention that the price of REN currently is pretty undervalued in my opinion. The average ICO price of Republic Protocol was about 5 cents, and it's currently just over 2 cents. Because of this, we currently think the price of Republic Protocol is undervalued. So to end the video, there's a lot of real value that Republic Protocol has to the marketplace as crypto matures and keeps moving forward. Again, I just wanted to mention that this is not investment advice and shouldn't be taken as such. You should do your own research before you make an investment. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We tried to distill our research and our thoughts on Republic Protocol into this singular video. Hopefully it was entertaining and you got a lot out of it. That's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Sir, no, I got the sauce. I got the sauce.